discuss about the Odoo 365 connector. This connector being used to synchronize Microsoft 365 applications into Odoo in both ways. To use this service or connector, you have to create Microsoft account, and after that you have to log into Microsoft Azure portal. This portal is being used to create an application or application registration to authorize your Microsoft account in Odoo connector. So start the application registration process. Click on to view directories, and here is the registration link inside menu app registration, and register an application. There is a form will be appear, and select few parameters and fill out the information. First, you need to fill the name of the application, and select the account type and register it. It will take few seconds to create an application, and here is the application is created successfully. From this application we have collect three parameter informations. The first one is client ID, client secret, and redirect URI. So whenever you create an application, the application ID is being created at that time. So copy it and place into the temporary file. Here is the client ID, and you have to create the other two parameter information. The first one redirect URI, and the second one is client secret. So first we have to create a redirect URI. Here is the link. Add a redirect URI and add platform. So basically we are working in web platform. You click on the web, and here is the link will be added to return to the platform which you are using after the authorization of Microsoft account. For example, uh, let's suppose you are using a local order services. You have to add local IP. Here is the local address of the order service. You can also add your custom domain address, and the further part is to describe your authorization redirect. You have to add office underscore success. This is information is being used to identify your the request in Odoo. So basically this information may be fixed, and other part you can vary on according to the platform. Okay, then click on to configure. This will take few seconds to add your redirect URI, and here is the redirect URI is being added. You can also add multiple according to your usage. You just copy that and paste into temporary file that we are working, and here is I already added the redirect URI. And the last thing is we have to create a client secret. Here is the menu, certificate and secrets. Click on it, and here is the first one is certificates, and the second one subtitle is client secret. Here the link button of create a new client secret. click on it and describe some of information of for the client secret, the time expiration of secret. So basically the recommended is 6 months, and you can also specify the limit of your client secret. So is pre-selected 6 months, and you can specify its description. For example, I can add a few keywords like after that you click on add button. This will take you few seconds to create a client secret. Here is will be created a client secret value. You can just copy this value and place on it. Here is the 3 points information or parameters which we are being used in the Odoo connector.